What is up, everybody? So some I think super exciting news for Moto America and for racing in general is Ducati last season coming back to Moto America Superbike now is going to be in Moto America Supersport with the V2, ridden by one of my favorite racers, Josh Herrin. I think he has a super cool personality on track, very competitive, off track, very personable, nice, however you want to say it. He's not one of those people who's just stone face, whatever, has a YouTube channel, is interactive on social media, like super cool guy. And I didn't know this, so I'm going to be looking into this and possibly making another video about it. But the only reason that he can now race in the Supersport class with a V2 because Moto America is changing the rules to allow larger capacity. This is quote right here. For the first time in history of the class, the Supersport regulations will be evolved to allow larger capacity twin-cylinder and three-cylinder machines to compete with the established 400cc four-cylinder machines. So, who knows how that's going to work out, because obviously they're different bikes, and you got Sean Dylan Kelly leaving, so you've got the Kawasaki rocket ship of the 600 that's going to be there with Escalante. And now you've got Josh Herrin in the Supersport class, and I think it's kind of cool. You're going to see a full factory Ducati V2, team in the Supersport, which, Ducati in itself, big company, lots of money, fast bikes, with a fast rider, with a name. I think it's going to be cool. It's kind of sad seeing him leave Yamaha Superbike racing, or leaving the Yamaha team to go back down to Supersport and race at Ducati, but that's because I'm a Yamaha fanboy and, whatever, but I think it's kind of cool. See how this year's going to do, considering, like it says, you're going to race four-cylinder 600s with two-cylinder twins and three-cylinder bikes, so it'll be neat to see, what actually pans out, how this works, what's going to be the fastest thing, obviously, and I don't know. Tell me in the comments below, do you think this is cool? Did you know about this? Are you a Josh Herrin fan? Are you a Ducati fan? Do you think Kawasaki and Escalante are going to just run away with it like they almost have for the last couple years? Comment down below anything. Tell me if you like churros or not. It's very random, but I like churros, so let's have a discussion. That's my little video for today, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.